Hello there, this is me Abdul Alim, and today in this video I'm gonna share with you how to link a Google Ads account to a manager account. Okay, so to complete the process, to complete the task, definitely you need a Google Ads account and you need a Google Ads manager account. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a Google Ads manager account, then check the description. Already I have made a video. In the video I have show you how to create a Google Ads manager account. Okay, so let's see how we can link a Google Ads account to a manager account. Okay, so look at that. This is the manager account that I have created, and this is the Google Ads account. It's my client's Google Ads account. So I will link this account in the manager account. Okay, so first of all we need to copy our main Google Ads account ID. Look at that, this is the ID. Okay, so I will copy this ID. Already I have copied this ID, and then we have to go our Google Ads MCC account. Okay, the manager account. Okay, so now we have to go our, look at that, this option. If I'm gonna hover over the accounts, then we have four options. We have to go sub account setting. Okay, so if I'm gonna click on the sub account settings, then look at that, here is a plus option. Okay, so I'm going to click on the plus option, and then we will link existing account because it's an existing account. Okay, already it's created. Okay, so this is the existing account, so I will click the link existing account. Now enter or paste your customer ID that I have copy already. Look at that, from here I have already copied the ID, Google Ads ID. Okay, so I have paste this ID number. Okay, already I have pasted, and then we have to send request. Okay, if I'm gonna click on the send request, then look at that, sending on link. Okay, already it sent. Okay, so now this account owner, when accept the request, then we have see a account from here. Okay, so that's the simple thing actually. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you the next video.